Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. To the show. I need the I feel like I'm beating chapter reads out of a fucking book. Fuck them all. Okay. The next song is called The Brisket. Lots of kids love this number. Because it's a nice little sing-along song. I want all y'all sing-along kids to get your asses up front. Come on, little loves. Where the fuck are you now? one thing. I dedicate this set to my mother because it's her birthday today. On the count of 3, I want everyone to say, "Happy birthday, Matt's mom." 1, 2, 3. She'll be very proud when I show this to her. And this is a song that moms aren't too proud of because it has a naughty word in it. Nothing so much good to say, but now that I got it, well, I wish to go away. Well, it would be wrong, I made a downtown friend, because of what they're doing, our relationship to them. Not a care about your feelings. Now you're coming through the ceiling. You're fucking my best friend. I think my good friend Rick, now that I know you was just feeling sick. I'm sitting here wishing you were dead. Cause I was your boyfriend, but you never gave me head. I don't care about your feelings. I heard you coming through the ceiling. You're fucking my best friend. Make it talk. I heard you coming through the ceiling. Song goes out to Scooby-Doo. I can't believe that you smoke crack. Never would have guessed that I saw never come back. Nice hat. Scooby-Doo and all the fun outside of your face. Now it's back, stop the same way that we started my day. Now you're out in crazy shit. Now just one question, will I ever see you again? Will I ever see a nutty cookie ass again? Will I ever see a nutty cookie ass again? I'm trying to skip like 9 verses on that one. That was the edit version for radio play. Okay. This song goes out to Artie Philly. Take it away. You better run. You better hide. You better put that spray paint aside. Cause here he comes, this is the Gurge, right on time to punish you for your crime. It's Artie! How do you control the speed? It's Artie! Look at his eyes and dream! It's Artie! It's all you see! Yeah! Artie! Because of you, and shut down. Who's gonna get you, you skinhead clown? You had to do it. Spray paint only. Doing this for every girl and boy. It's Artie! We got bigger team! It's Artie! And you should have! Then lose on your team! Yeah, I kinda lost my voice on that one. Who wants fun stripes? Who wants fun stripes? Thank you. What song's next? This is Happy Girl. I'm gonna send this one out to Enoch the Peacock, because he's punk rock, Enoch the Peacock. And we outbidded for the comp selling, so rock on. Oh, we're not ready yet, so I'm gonna tell a story. Today, I woke up early. The end. Looks like I have time for another story. I went to bed really late last night. The end. Both things don't go together very well. Yeah. Happy girl. Happy girl, what are you thinking? Happy girl, get drunk without drinking. Happy girl, shoots bottles of drink. Happy girl, when will this end? Oh yeah, when will it end? Happy girl, you make me sick. I say go away, but you're too sick. You don't understand a single thing. Nothing you say is interesting. Oh no, not one bit. Pick it up. Happy girl gets drunk without drinking. Happy girl, she's more fun than me. Happy girl, when did that happen? What the fuck was that? Every time I think you're gone, the next day you attack back on you're always at my fucking side. And you wonder what to do. Well, I don't know, oh not a I think it'll. Happy girl, what are you thinking? Happy girl, get drunk without drinking. Happy girl, she's found out the friend. Happy girl, when will it end? Oh yeah, when will it end? When will it end? When will it end? Say when will it end? And oh yeah. You This is for Mindy and Kelly, I think her name is. That's right.
Actually, I like.
Here's your split song. Enjoy it. It's for We have demos for sale for $3. CD comes on sale for $7. But you can buy the Striped Bastard guys for $6 because they're pains in my asses. And we have a slap bracelet left for 50 cents, a couple t-shirts, and autographed condoms. Good night.